Well, hello everybody. We got the tile going in the bathroom. So there's the tile. Obviously I didn't finish it. On the left-hand side, the right-hand side is definitely done. I don't have it done over here yet. I kind of was working till about midnight because I knew that I had to get this done yesterday. It needs 24 hours. I let it dry for about 18 hours and got all the mess that I make. Boy, I tell you what, doing tile, I don't think there's any clean way of doing it. If there is, somebody needs to let me know because I don't have a clue. But I spent probably 3 or 4 hours cleaning this stuff up. Looks really good. I think once I get the cabinets in here and get some of the junk out of here, but those are down. Like, you kind of tell the grout lines are pretty decent. So they're on 16-inch, a 1/16 of an inch. And I put a leveling system in it. So there's a couple pieces where lippage is, but I would say the majority of it has absolutely no lippage. So it took a lot just to get the leveling system in. It took a lot to get it out. Just because you make a mess. It's not that it's hard to work with. It's just the thin set is it just kind of gets everywhere. You can tell this is a Ladder Creek. It's like an epoxy based. It's really light, so it's not really heavy. It's only 25 pounds for a bag. There's actually 2 bags in here. The first one, I messed up the bag. It was too dry, and it took forever to do the first 2 rows. So I learned my lesson. I learned a lot, which is always good. And so let's go on to what else has been done. So what else has been done? We got countertops, folks. Yes, we got countertops. This is nice. I didn't do the countertops. I'm glad I didn't do the countertops. It took me forever to clean the countertop. It had glue all over the place. So this is the countertop. You can kind of tell. Those awesome lights that Randy put up actually makes it really look really nice. We have a sink here. That's a 10-inch deep sink. And then we have water. So you got water from this and that. Ooh, I know, yeah, it's exciting, but it is. It truly is. So we've got a dishwasher. So I've used the dishwasher a couple times already. I do like the Bosch dishwashers. I'm really sold on the Bosch. I didn't buy the Frigidaire. The rest of the stuff is Frigidaire, but I absolutely, and you know, if you're going to spend, you know, some money, you ought to look at the Bosch. They actually wash them. They're really good. I really do. What you don't see is handles on here. There's not going to be knobs. There's going to be actually handles. So what I'm going to do is, G-Mom actually picked these up for her place. So these are the handles, and they'll go something like that. And then on the doors they'll do something like, they'll go like that, right? So I don't trust myself enough with this. I think I'll find somebody that knows what they're doing. They use jigs, but I just would prefer that somebody that does it for a living actually do it. I think that's just one thing I'm willing to pay for. Obviously, I gotta do the. I gotta finish that out, but I do have that all finished out. So you'll see that that's all finished out right there, and you'll see a toe kick at the very bottom. So it's hard. So there's the toe kick all the way across, no gaps, no nothing. And let me kind of walk back a little bit. And then last time I had a bunch of junk. It was actually the dishwasher that was there. Still have some stuff, but you know, in the middle of everything. So here's another view of the kitchen. And you know, I do like this set. Everybody that's come in here have looked at it, absolutely loves this set. And there's the table there, and you know, still got lots of paint work still left. I'm not too terribly concerned about that. And you know, I still got the flooring to do in the master bedroom, and that wasn't really the focus this time. So I only really had a weekend and a half actually, because I'm flying back to Austin. I just came here, did a couple things with Mom, and got that taken care of. And this is really cool. I mean, there was this ton of glue. It took them 3 days to put this counter in. So this is 130 inches. It kind of gives you some depth there. So 130 inches, quite a big island. And obviously I still got paint to do on the columns and all that good stuff. But you know, this is pretty. He did a good job. You know, and got a coffee maker. I got tired of going paying $4 or $5 each time I went to Dunkin' Donuts. I kind of do like coffee, so that's a new habit I picked up with no sugar, just cream. And eventually I'll replace that window, but for right now, I think we're good. So, one thing is I do have water filters. There's a filter that filters to the refrigerator underneath the sink, and then there's obviously another refrigerator filter. It is really good drinking water. I wouldn't drink, I'm not too much of a tap water drinker, but definitely I feel confident enough to drink out of the refrigerator, and I have done that. So I think this is really good. I think, you know, there's a lot more work to do, but it's coming together. I've got a quote for somebody to actually put the crown molding on the top of the cabinets. I'm gonna go ahead and just have him do that as well. Hopefully he can do that while I'm gone, before my next visit. I know Lori's gonna come here in May, I believe, and I think she's trying to work out something with Michelle as well. So everybody have a great day, and thanks again. Bye.